So we're gonna go out exit 6. It's close to Ham Knee Street. And we'll show you what that looks like. A lot of modeling going on in here, you noticed. So it looks like exit 5 isn't open yet. So we're gonna check out exit 6. Just down here. So here we are, exit 6, Eli Leroy, Winthrop Penn. Let's go. It's only stairs. Sponsored by MasterCard. Surprise, surprise. Wow, look at this. Here we are, Benton Station. And beautiful Benton Market. Wow, really pretty. What do you think, Jay?
That's a really nice train. I'm really.
It was a nice ride.
Really impressed with the work. It took like over a decade to build one line, but it is nice. It's nice. It's efficient. It's got bathrooms. It's got AC.
How long did it take to get here?
From Tao Tien, maybe 15 minutes or less. Very nice.
Guys, you gotta check it out. New train, Saigon, Vietnam, 2025.
All right.
Awesome.